Hello, Isaac here. On our cook menu today is Crispy Potato Quesadillas, a cheese potato tacos. I love it. Hola, Mexicans, ¿cómo estás? Estoy haciendo tu comida este día. I don't know if I got it right. So, quesadilla is a Mexican dish consisting of tortilla. If you're wondering what tortilla is, this is tortilla. Round, flat bread, and this bread is mostly filled with cheese and sometimes beef and some other ingredients. But today we are making crispy potato quesadillas, alright? And so we are not going to use beef, but we are using potatoes. And you're gonna love it at the end. With that being said, let's jump straight into it. I have my potatoes here. I have 357 grams of potatoes, which is weighed. A tip for you, the weight is measured when the potatoes are still uncooked. You make sure you measure the potatoes before you peel it off, in case you want to get the grams. Okay, I'm gonna peel off my potatoes. This is an African way of peeling off a potato, so I'm gonna show you because I don't have a peeler. If you have a peeler, you can go ahead and use it. And so I'm going an African way to peel off the potatoes. Are you ready? Let's see what an African way of peeling off a potatoes is. That is it. So that is how potatoes being peeled off. Okay, then I'll do the other one. Cut here, cut the edges. The other one is also done. I'm gonna wash it. So I have it well washed and I'm going to boil it. That I have my potatoes on the stove, I'm gonna go ahead and cut my 207 medium grams of onion into pieces. It is cooked, so I'm gonna drain the water. I'm gonna give it a smash, a very nice smash. It's best if you have the smash, you know what it's called, right? But I don't have it, and so I'm using a fork to smash. Give it a nice smash. Now I'm gonna go ahead to add my 8 grams of unsalted butter, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, you fry till the onion is transparent, and then you add your 3 chili grams of pepper. And your 4 grams of curry powder. And then 2 tablespoons of water. Now it's good enough. Now I'm gonna add my 8 grams of Parmesan cheese, some fried onions, and some black pepper. It's time to bring in my tortilla. I'm gonna add some chili sauce. Add some chili sauce. Ready? Some tomato sauce also in here. Spread it. Then I have some mozzarella cheese here. Add some to it. You spread it across just only about half. Now you bring just about a tablespoon of your mashed potatoes. You're only taking half of it. Very gently here. And you're gonna add again some mozzarella cheese in here. Then you will take the half. So this is the half here. Make sure the edges don't come out. Now we have our tortilla ready, all filled with mashed potatoes. Try to crack in the entrance so that it doesn't come out, okay? When you're doing it. And all of them. Okay, so now we'll go ahead and then fry it on a low heat, okay? Gently sprinkle some oil inside. Then we're gonna fry it. Finally, we have our quesadilla ready, a crispy one. Very stretched one. You can see, crispy. That is our quesadilla here. Alright viewers, so now we are done with our crispy quesadillas, alright? So you can see here is it. A very crispy one, I love it. I hope you enjoy it too. Go home, practice it, and you can do it. Until then, our next video. Thank you so much.